4. All weekend do. Another great aspect of having a micro-wedding is the ability to make it into a whole weekend event. You may choose to splurge on events outside of your actual wedding ceremony and reception, such as welcome cocktails, an after-party, or post-wedding day brunch. Having a smaller guest list allows you to get creative with these events and to customize them to fit the interests of you and your spouse. Your guests will love the multiple opportunities to celebrate with you, and this is a fun way to spend more time with your loved ones. 5. Guest goodie bags or favors. When you have a smaller guest list, you can usually take more care and maybe even more wiggle room in your budget to truly spoil your guests. Consider doing so with customized welcome or goodie bags or wedding favors. Create beautiful welcome bags filled with everything your guests could need for your wedding weekend, from mini water bottles to snacks to emergency items like Advil. You can also make these welcome bags COVID-19 approved, with customized face masks and mini hand sanitizers. Be sure to include a note thanking your guests for being there and anything else you want them to know about the weekend, such as a schedule of events or your favorite spots in the area that you suggest for visiting. If you're looking to do wedding favors instead, there are certain items that are fun to splurge on. For instance, luxury candles, custom-made desserts, or mementos that are specific to the location of your wedding are always a hit. These little details can really help guests have a wonderful experience, and they'll surely remember your wedding forever. Micro-weddings have their upsides, and being able to splurge on the details of this event is certainly one of them. Be sure to splurge on the items that are important and most meaningful to you. Follow these tips on your way to building a successful micro-wedding. From defining your vision to identifying opportunities for your wedding event, these tips will be important in ensuring that your micro-wedding is as best prepared as it can be. There couldn't be a better time to consider a micro-wedding. It's a bold step you're choosing, so take it up with great fortitude. For more tips, tricks and ideas for everything catering parties and events, please visit us at quickbuffet.co.uk.